DNCT.
YouTube.
YouTube was founded on February 14, 2005 by PayPal employees Chad Hurley, Steve Jens, and Joe Karim.
YouTube has become one of the most influential platforms in digital era.
Another importance of YouTube it is influence on trend and public opinion.
YouTube is one of the most influential platforms showing how people consume, share, and create content.
I choose YouTube because it is important to profound modern society. Na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y aking lamang.
Please
Please like, share,